Hi, I'm Ben. Welcome to my channel. So today I want to remove some rust. I got this punch from a friend of mine a long time ago, and I just happened to see it and thought, oh, that would be fun to clean up. So it's pretty rusted and pretty pitted and stuff, but you know, it'll be fun. So let's get to it. So let me talk just a minute about sanding these facets on a punch. So you see I still left some of this stuff in here because I figure I can go back if I need to, but you know, the biggest problem I have is that I use that belt sander to avoid getting waves. Like if you use a flat disc on a angle grinder, it's real easy to get these sort of waves where the angle of your sanding shifts slightly one way or the other. And when you do that on that belt sander, it doesn't have that problem because you know you're holding it down. And if you happen to turn it just a little bit, it does it evenly. So I stopped on each of these when it felt like I was going to go too far. And you can even see right here, back up, see how wide that facet is and how not wide that is. So I can still go back to this one, and I'm going to, and try to widen it a little bit, and that hopefully will take care of some more of this rust. But you know, it's a slippery slope. You got to be careful, because it's real easy to just keep going back and forth. The next thing you know, the whole thing is, you know, this thick. So anyway, that's where I'm at right now. So. Well, that's it. That's as far as I'm going to take it. You know, when you're working on a tool that has so many facets around it, it's really a challenge because you want to take the rust off, and then that shrinks the size of the facet a little bit, and that means it's all symmetrical. So you got to go to the other side and make sure you shrink it, and it just, it's a slippery slope, and next thing you know, you won't have any metal left. But I feel like I got as much of the rust off of here as is really necessary for my own self-esteem. But I did pretty good on the facets. I started out with the belt grinder and thought, oh, this will be great because it'll be straight the whole way. But you got to get up close with your eyeball and see what you're doing. So anyway, that's it. I'm pretty pleased, and I appreciate you watching. See you next time.